Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a payout on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just started posting on Whatnot or selling on Whatnot and you're starting to get paid. How do you actually go ahead and request a payout on Whatnot? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what we're first going to do is that we're going to hop into Whatnot. Next, on the bottom left-hand corner or middle corner, you want to click on Seller Hub. Next, you want to scroll down and then click on Payouts. Now, once you click on Payouts, you're going to see how much is available for payout and then how much is still processing. Go ahead and click on Start Payout. And then afterwards, once your bank account is already connected to Whatnot, simply click on Confirm and you should be able to start your payout with Whatnot. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and request a payout on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.